Hi guys, hope you have a great day today. Today I'm going to show you a review and tutorial how to put on an eyelash extension by yourself. So if you want to know, please keep watching. Before we start, I just want to inform you that I do not take any responsibility for any accident that might occur or happen, since this your own eyes and your own skills. So please be careful and really pay attention with all the tools and all the glue that you're going to use. Without further ado, let's start. The original like strip lashes. So this is the ordinary strip lashes that usually a lot of girls use before, like this. So with this one, you're just going to use a glue on top of this and then put nearby on top of your lashes. So this is that one, but today I'm going to show you the individual lashes. So is it individual lashes and extension eyelashes is the same? Actually, if I can say, it's not the same. NANI? I have with me these individual lashes. So there's a lot of individual lashes that being sold online. So there's a lot of type. There is 2D, 3D, 6D, 8D and 12D. So you can choose and purchase which one that will fit on your eyes. So the result will be depends on your eyelashes and your eye structure, like this. So in each individual, so it's going to be different. So now we already know about the strip lashes and the individual lashes, like this. So next I'm going to tell you that individual lashes and extension eyelashes that you're doing in the salon, actually the difference is not really big. Just for individual lashes, you're going to see like in one knot there is like 3 or 4 branch, but in individual, I mean like in extension eyelashes that salon did or a beautician did to your eyes, it's really one by one. So it's like each lashes, they will attach to your own lashes one by one. That's why it takes a lot of time, it takes money, it takes really beautician and someone who really hold a degree or have experience with this, because the glue and you know, like a lot of people have a different quantity of lashes, so she need to do one by one. So we're not going to do that today. So I'm going to explain to you how I put my own individual lashes. There are the things that you need to prepare in order to have individual lashes. So first of all, you need to have you're going to see the picture, all that. I actually purchased 2 glue. The first one is the dark one, the black one, and the second one is the clear one. So just to informing you that this glue is a really strong glue. Once it stick on your lashes, so I want to informing you that you should really careful before you use this glue, okay? And which one is better, this one or this one? For me personally, I prefer the black one. because I don't know why with this white one, after it's dry, it's become like not clear like this. It's like after sometimes after 1 week or after 1.5 week, you can see the glue and people can see like not really white, but it's visible, so I don't like it. So I choose the black glue like this. So let me show you how to do it. Let's do the review with this black glue.
One eternity later.
So first of all, you need to pour a little bit of this glue on any surface. Like one single drop like this, it's going to be enough for both eyes if your lashes quantity like mine. And take one of those individual lashes, dip it, just little dip on the inner side, okay, of the lashes, as you can see, like that. And you can use hands, or I'm using like behind of this spoolie, and you can attach it near your eyelashes, like not to your skin, I mean like eyelid, but in your lashes. Then it's done. So it's done. You do it one by one. I starting from outer corner until my inner corner. Yep, like that. So I'm just give a little touch there. That's perfect. That's the way how you put the lashes. So it's not on the skin, it's not in this part on the eyelid, but below of your lashes. So I'll give you example. So your lashes is in this way, right? In your eyes, like this. So where are you going to put the this is your lashes, and where, so you're going to put below your lashes, like this, below of it. Just quick advice for you, that this glue is quite stink a little bit, so use only a little portion, like very less. Don't use much glue, because with this quantity of glue that I showed you before, I could able use it for both eyes. So this is how it looks. So you can always do experiments.
NANI?
You can purchase like different size of individual lashes. For example, there's always like 8mm, 10, 12, 14, and so on. So I can suggest you, starting from this corner, you can put on the longer, so you're going to have the wings. On your eyes, in this part, in this area, like from here to here, you can use longer eyelashes, and from here in the middle size, you can use like 10mm like that, and on top of here, like this, use the short one, so it will going to look more natural on your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please be careful. That's all tips for today. I have girls, you can do it. you can always like after it's dry, you can always like pinch, so like this, just to make sure that the individual lashes stick on your own lashes. So like this. And if you have a spoolie like this, you can always brush it up like slowly. Okay, you girls, you might have a question about the lashes. How long it will last? It will last like actually depends on you. Just I have advice, when you wash your face, same like you're using extension, you don't like rub it like that, and you don't put the water on it, on this area. Okay, just avoid too much water on here because it's just a glue. So whenever you remove, or it's like by water, or like if you're taking a shower, a lot of water, so by that time you're going to retouch, and you can retouch like me just now. Really use sterilized tools. You can purchase any alcohol to clean the tools before you using it, like this pin set and this one. You can clean it first before you use it. And one more thing before we close, so what if like can we reuse the individual lashes that been used, or it's falling from our eyelashes like last day? So yeah, for me, you can reuse, but before you reuse, before you put on back like glue and on your lashes, you must really soak it in this alcohol or something, disinfectant, to make sure it's clean and it's hygiene, because you are dealing with eyes. So that's all the tips from me. I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you're going to try it, and please be careful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
So is it the same? Cut this one, then start. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please be safe and be careful.
A few inches later. A few moments later.